get a better picture, but he's... Oh my gosh! I've never seen them do that. What is that? What is... Oh, really? That's our tomato plant. Looking good. Goodness gracious. Here we go. There we go. Say hey. Today we are going to my uncle's house for a fish crawl or crawfish, but I'm gonna try crawfish for the first time today, see how that is. Jack said, my uncle, he says it tastes like shrimp. I don't know, we'll see. Here we go. You're so loud. Clean it out.
What has he got in his eyes?
From eye boogers.
And his eyelids? His eyelashes? Huh?
From where he was crying. Is that what she's doing right now? For real? Yeah, girl. Hey.
That's where the flavor is, isn't it?
What are you doing?
Mine was something called it.
A baby scares you? Gosh, that thing is so big.
You should have seen them when they was first.
If only I had an Australian accent.
They were alive when he first pulled them out. You should have seen them.
Yeah?
I can't bring myself to eat something looking at me.
Do they scream? Hey,
They don't have
I don't have had raw legs, all that stuff.
right.
That's awesome.
I try to wait till she was asleep, eat my lunch every day. As soon as she gets a wet, she starts, she'll open one eye and she'll look at me.
We are finally back from my uncle's house. It's about an hour and a half drive, which isn't too bad, but it is when it's late at night and I still have to get up in the middle of the night to feed Liam. Sorry, this light is orange. I'm outside letting the dogs out, so yeah, they did pretty good. Come on, y'all. Come on. Okay, you want to meet Moto? There's Moto. Moto. Come on. You go inside? Here's Bruno. Bruno. Sweet boy. Yeah. Hey, sweet boy. Alright, you can go inside. Come on. Come here. Come here. You better go inside if I unhook you. Sometimes when I unhook him, he just thinks he's going to be smart and run off, not go inside. You better go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Good job. Come on. No, Come on. Moto. Oh my gosh. There he goes. He's running off. So this is my kitchen. I know I haven't seen it yet. Pretty cute. Let's go see what Daniel's doing. I'm sure he's already asleep. And then you can meet Ace too before we say goodnight. There's Ace. There's Ace. Yep, I'd say he's out. And this one's out too. Bruno, you gonna give him kisses? You gonna give him kisses? I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I hope everyone has a great night or day whenever you're watching this video. Who knows? And it's currently 11:41, so I'm about to hit the sheets for real. And everyone else is asleep, so I'm about to go to bed and wake up and do it all over again. So yeah, if you like this video, hit thumbs up. And if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you. Bye.